Hi there, my name is Josh. I am one of the retrofit coordinators at ATSPACE. And a question that someone asked me to answer for this video is retrofitting sustainable? So, it's sustainable in the sense that it's much more productive to increase the energy performance of an existing building rather than demolishing a building to build something else. There's a lot of associated carbon emissions with regards to building new properties, so it makes more sense to increase the performance of an existing structure. So in that situation, yes, it is sustainable. Is retrofitting sustainable in the sense of, is it a good long-term process for us to carry out, or is there better ways at reducing our emissions as a nation? At the moment, it doesn't sound too sustainable. The reason is because there is not great incentive out there for people to be doing retrofits to their own properties. I mean, financially, there's not really great incentives out there. There are for doing the odd measure here and there, increasing loft insulation, upgrading the boiler, new glazing. But if we're really looking at reducing our emissions as a nation by upgrading the existing housing stock, then there's got to be a real incentive there for homeowners to have this carried out because of the cost, because of how much it costs to carry out this work. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like me to answer any more questions surrounding retrofits, then please feel free to visit the Knowledge Hub, and remember to like and subscribe to stay updated.